Charles L. Gwapo, bringing you fashion vlogs and a lot of real talk though. Running it up all off my name. Been around the world, it's not a game. Like, subscribe and comment, don't forget to share the page.
What's good? Welcome back to the channel. I am Charles L. Gwapo. Man, today is a special vlog. We're going no script, no nothing. So this is the house that I'm currently moving out of. We completed our lease. We did it last year, roughly around my birthday. I just had a birthday, June 12th. Shout out to me. Y'all see I'm sweaty, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna give y'all a little house tour and basically how I think, but I know I deserve my deposit back. So this is the master bedroom. It's a bathroom that came attached. So the master, or I would say primary suite, is a lot smaller because of the bathroom. But go ahead and take a glance. This was already here, you know. I shot a few videos in this house, like the one right here, me sitting on the couch explaining my 2025. Look at the backyard. We're gonna go out there in a minute. Then the other one was when I did the vlog and I was around Atlanta and I came in and showed the front of the house. This was my YouTube studio. So I had the desk over there. I had the Purple City right there. And then the grind, hustle, execute right there. I had blackout curtains on this wall or window. And you know, I had my stage lights and all that. But yeah, this is where I was filming my content. Definitely. You know, got your little linen closet. And then a little small way, attic. Didn't really go up there. Now this bathroom, this was my bathroom. I think I filmed in here too before, but it was basically, you know, see me with the yell. It was basically where I cut my hair. Yeah, that's it. That's the only thing I used it for real. I had the blue curtains with the blue carpet. Yep, lined up my hair, cut my hair, shaved it. Yep. And then this was my girl's, her, I would say craft suite. She didn't even come in here that much, but she had a lot of craft stuff. This is probably the same size of the master, or I would say primary suite. This should have been a primary suite if it had a bathroom. Like, it is super huge in here, you know? Then we coming back through here. We got our living room. See, I just did the floors. I'm about to go back with what is that called? A rejuvenator. And that's basically gonna polish it. But yeah, this is where I had the white couch, and I was talking to you guys. Had the end table, coffee table. Of course, we had the camera in the house, fireplace. Yeah, it was very nice. Coat closet. Then we got our, you know, I got set to the 70s. Kind of hot in here. I just got through, like I said, cleaning and doing all kind of crazy stuff, mopping. But yeah, the main front door. Then this was our dining room, right? We did not have no dining room tables, no dining room chairs, or nothing in here. Everything in here was basically like exercise equipment. And of course, you got your ThinkPad for the doors and the cameras. Boom, kitchen. This was also in that blog, you know, me doing what I do. Got a little small pantry. Let me see. Hopefully the audio is good because I'm recording straight from the phone. And as y'all see, there's nothing in here. It's all echoes. But yeah, man, it's just anything that's like left, like the trash can, that stuff was already here. So just doing my thing. Dishwasher, water filter, refrigerator. Yeah. So then let's go ahead and go into the basement. The basement, I didn't really get to use. I wish I would have used this basement. Hopefully I don't mess up my floors. But yeah, wish I would have used this basement, man. The laundry room is down here though. So yeah, floor is still wet. So, but yeah, you got your washer and dryer. Let's see if I can follow a pattern. Washer and dryer set up. Basement door. It leads to the back porch of the basement. Not back porch, but like a little porch area. I'm about to show you. Voila. Let's see what we got going on. I can do a house tour now. We moving, so it don't matter. So boom, the grass, the yard, big yard. Behind that fence, let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, I can zoom in. It'd be a lot of deers back here, like a whole family of them. I'm surprised ain't nobody out there eating right now. But yeah, they be back here, and that's why that gate open, because they keep kicking it open. Hopping it, doing whatever they feel like they can do. All right, so yeah, this is the backyard. Not bad if you got kids. If you got kids and you got a big family, y'all can be out here grilling. Y'all can have like a tent. Y'all can have a trampoline, throw a pool, jacuzzi, whatever. Right? Then come up here. This is the back porch. Cool little vibe. I had a camera right there overlooking that, because that's the next street over. And then if you go back here, it's like a creek. I've been back here, but it's a whole lot of wildlife, a whole lot of tall grass, so I don't feel like going back here. But yeah, it was a cool little spot to chill. Let's see. I think we should go back into the basement. I'll come back and close it. I don't feel like going back down there for real. But it is what it is. Boom. So this is obviously where we had everything. Oh. Damn gate. All right. So yeah, y'all seen I turned the air on. Getting ready for the walkthrough, basically. Waiting for the landlord to get here and walk through. So you see the mop out here drying, the mop bucket. This is the carport inside of the house. Boom, my little leaves up there. Then obviously this is the front yard. Very nice, quiet little neighborhood. One of my favorite things was that view right there when I come out on a nice summer day like today. And you just look back at the house, there's a lot of trees. That's one thing you'll learn about being down here in Georgia, period. It's a whole lot of trees, a whole lot of green life. Everywhere you go, we in the actual city. This is the Swats, Southwest Atlanta. So, boom. Little front porch, come out here and kick it with the table. Let me put this over there. Put this with this. Yeah. So then boom. Ah, shit. All right, cool. It didn't lock. So now we back. Great room. Yeah, so I believe that is the house. Yeah, that's the house tour. I showed you everything. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, full basement, as y'all seen. All of the appliances in your kitchen, front yard, backyard. And basically everything, like all the prices that was included in this, was the rent was $22.50 a month. Then you had to pay for gas, water. Damn, this is the best spot right here because we're that air duct. So you just, yeah, pay for water, pay for gas, pay for your internet, And then I had to pay my yard guy. He comes like every 2 weeks, every week and a half. And basically just cut the grass, trim the bushes. And yeah, so J Mac, I think it's J Mac Landscaping. That's my guy. Y'all get at him. I'm gonna probably put his number down here so y'all can, if y'all in the Atlanta area, see the cameras, Atlanta area, to holler at him. He got reasonable prices, you know. But like I said, so all of that is what you would pay for this, or at least that's what I was paying. And I enjoyed it, man. Like I said, it's the Swats, southwest side, southwest Atlanta. This is off of Cascade. It's off of Landhurst, and it's between Cascade and MLK. The MLK, you got Bando Wings, and then you got Cascade, $1 million homes, mansions, and all of that, just around the corner. So yeah, y'all get to see how I was living for a whole year. Like I said, I enjoyed it. It was very beautiful, very quiet, no problems. I ain't had no issues whatsoever over here. Whether I'm out and about, at Hungry AF, at the Bando, Camelton, MLK, Cascade, Vine City, all the West Side stuff. Yeah, man, so if y'all looking, this place is here for you, you know? Nice little tour. I gotta say goodbye. We moving on to bigger and better things, but this was definitely this is my first house that I had in ATL, which is wild. Like I've been here 3 years, and yeah, it was very beautiful. But now we about to go post up in Mexico, do a couple traveling around the world, because as y'all know, I done came into some money before, and now I'm just about to enjoy the fruits of my labor. I blew through it. We'll say that for another video, but for this one, I'm out. Charles L. Gwapo. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you like this house tour, man, get at me. I can shoot the landlord numbers. Man, there's plenty of houses around the corner too that's just, they redoing this whole neighborhood that are just immaculate. So y'all let me know, do I deserve to get my deposit back? You know what I mean? Put down in the comments, yay or nay, thumbs up. If you like this video, you know, thumbs down. If you didn't, sideways if you in between. But like I said, I am Charles L. Gwapo. Get at me.